Studies show that about 80% of the water available in the country is used for farming and less than 10% by factories. Even so, there are several industries that thrive heavily on water. One such industry is the textile sector, an industry that is growing at a speeding rate. The manufacturers must eliminate the use of caustic soda in textile pre-treatment salt and dye wastage. Too intricate to understand? Richa Industries Limited, one of the trustees named in Indian textile industry, is using the enzymatic solutions provided by DuPont Industrial Biosciences to reduce water wastage. Let's see how.
A world of textures. A riot of colors. And spools of yarn and fabric. The Indian textile industry boasts of being one of the world's largest. But apart from this feat, it's also one of the biggest guzzlers of a very scarce resource, water. Harsh chemicals used in the pre-treatment of the cloth and in the dyeing of the fabric makes multiple use of water baths a necessity.
कपड़ा निटेड फैब्रिक जो है उसको जब हम निटिंग करके नीचे लेके आते हैं तो इसको पहले प्रिक्योर करना होता है, कपड़े को बॉइलिंग करनी होती है इसकी, और इसमें हम केमिकल यूज़ करते हैं, कास्टिक सोडा वगैरह इस टाइप के, साल्ट, हाइड्रोजन पेरोक्साइड जो केमिकल हैं उससे इसको बॉइल्ड करके इसको रेडी फॉर डाइंग करते हैं.
In the heart of Faridabad is this textile mill owned by Subhash Gupta, which is anything but run-of-the-mill. This is where a quiet war is being waged in saving precious water that is needed for a textile processing plant.
Typically, 1 kg of fabric needs 100 liters of water to be processed. So in an average unit which process 3,000 to 4,000 kgs of fabric per day. So that means we are talking about 3 lakh liters of water per day.
DuPont Industrial Biosciences has collaborated with Richa Industries Limited, and this is where the revolution begins. The textile mill is using DuPont's bio-friendly and fabric-friendly enzyme Prima Green EcoScar in its pre-treatment process, which cuts down the water bath cycles from 4 to 2, thereby reducing water consumption considerably.
DuPont's enzymes are used in a processing unit like Richa, whereas we are helping them to reduce the total water usage. What we are doing is we are helping them to reduce the use of corrosive chemicals. So the lesser chemicals, lesser water. So the number of baths that they use today are going down and down by using enzymes, and therefore their water discharge is reduced.
The impact? Post EcoScar adoption, Richa Industries Limited has reduced water consumption by 20% in the pre-treatment process. Besides this, there are also savings of energy, time and other natural resources.
The actual dyeing process takes in this machine. After implementing DuPont's enzyme, we are able to reduce the water consumption level. Earlier, we are using approximately 75 liters of water per kg of fabric, but after using this DuPont enzyme, we are now achieve approximately 60 liters of water per kg of fabric.
The water savings can be higher at different plants depending on process conditions. Water savings of at least 20% in just pre-treatment could mean huge savings for hundreds of mills across India. A big blessing for a water-intensive industry and a significant contribution to a water-starved country like India. Not just that, in any textile unit, the water that is discharged is beset with dyes and chemicals. Proper treatment to make this water free from chemicals is critical so that it can be reused and recycled.
पानी ऊपर जो 3 टंकी देख रहे हैं हम, उनमें ये सारा उनमें केमिकल भरे हुए हैं, जैसे कि फेरस, लाइम, पॉलीइलेक्ट्रो, 3 केमिकल हैं जो वो वाटर से टच होते हैं तो अपना रिएक्शन करते हैं, पानी को फाड़ते हैं। पानी फाड़ने से पानी साफ़ हो जाता है, हैवी मेटल नीचे बैठ जाते हैं और वो पानी फ्लो होता हुआ इस टैंक में आ जाता है। पानी साफ़ होके एरेशन टैंक बने हुए हैं उधर, उनमें चला जाता है। वहाँ उसमें आप एयर मिक्स करते हैं। उस एयर मिक्स करने के बाद पानी को यहाँ लेके आते हैं। पानी बिल्कुल साफ़ है इस टाइम। इस पानी को फिर हम यूज़ के अपने टैंक में ले जाते हैं, उसको डाइंग में दोबारा रीयूज करते हैं। लगभग 300 KL पर डे में से 150 KL लगभग हम रीयूज कर लेते हैं पर डे।
The quest is to reduce, reuse and recycle water in a notoriously water-hungry industry.
Overall, to me, this is our effort to go towards the power of Shunya, that means the wastage of water wastage going towards zero, and that's our commitment to the sustainability.
Mumbai, Chennai, Kolkata, 3 out of our 4 metros are located on the coast. The country has a very long coastline. 25% of the population lives in the coastal zone. The coastal zone is also most industrialized area in the country. This demands more water, which has put the coastal aquifers under stress. After the break, we visit companies that are addressing the water woes of our coastal communities.